Hi, I'm Jeff Moisen with Keller Williams Home Group Realty. Welcome to 612A Woodlawn Road East in Guelph. This is a phenomenal stacked townhome in the north end, right at the doorstep of the Guelph Lake sports fields. There's so much to offer here, so let's go take a look around. The main level offers a spacious eat-in kitchen with plenty of counter space and room for a full dining table. Perfect for everyday meals and casual entertaining. From there, the space opens into a bright and inviting living room filled with natural light and designed for comfortable living. The rear French door leads you out to your fully fenced backyard. This level also features a convenient two-piece bathroom, adding to the home's practical layout. Heading down to the lower level, you'll find two generously sized bedrooms, thoughtfully laid out for privacy and quiet living. You will also appreciate the updated four-piece bathroom, along with in-suite laundry conveniently located right beside the primary bedroom. This adds to the home's practical, functional design. One of the standout features of this home is the outdoor space. The private deck and fenced backyard offer a perfect extension of your living area. Ideal for summer barbecues, relaxing with a morning coffee, or letting kids and pets play safely. It's a feature you simply don't find in similar stacked townhomes. Location is everything, and this one truly delivers. The home is directly across the road from Brant Park and Public School, and just steps to the Guelph Lake sports fields and Guelph Lake itself. It also has nearby walking trails for outdoor enthusiasts. Plus, you're just minutes from Riverside Park and all of the amenities you could ever ask for along Woodlawn Road. As you can see, this is an amazing home with plenty to offer. Feel free to give me a call for your own private tour. I look forward to hearing you. Thanks a lot for joining me, and have a great day.